We are in Cianjur village now, Cugenang district, Cianjur. This village is totally ruined. More than 80% of the houses are broken like this one. Currently, the people, his wife, his children, and his family are staying under the makeshift tent. Yeah, and many others, Pak Aceng, including Pak Aceng, the local figure here, his family is also in dilapidated or in the makeshift tents. The problem arises here. At least 3 issues we identified. First, they spotted or they stay in the riverbank. Latrine is shortage, only one latrine, only one water point for hundreds of people. So it is not adequate. This is actually the issues around the settlement of the people, the temporary settlement, the temporary evacuation for the people here. There are many issues also arising here. I heard about scabies or itchy, skin disease has appeared. For kids, relatively they are okay in the camp currently because they are overseen by their father and mother. But the problem, some of the kids are having trauma, especially for the vulnerable people like mothers, breastfeeding mothers, elderly, children, disabled people. And of course, the protection issues is number 1. Thank you very much. I'm reporting from Cianjur village, Cianjur district. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.